that's looking good. This we want chrome, so we just want to crank up the metallic, and then we want to crank down the roughness, and then we can just add that to everything on there, on the radiator. Just like that. Okay. Just add that to all those there. And that will be done. Save. Right, now let's deal with this. I'm just gonna delete it and restart it. It'll be a damn sight quicker. What are we in? A cylinder, scale, move it across, center. That's actually not bad. I'll just make it a little bit bigger. Control, go to edit, Control R, 1, 2, 3, and then select that one and that. Select that one, and scale on the Z. Select that one and bring it on up, because that's going to be the tap. Now what we want to do is just select the center one here and do what we did before. Just scale it on in, because that's going to be where the tap is. Control R, and then just bring this one up. This is obviously going to be so hit number 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's just get that center, and then scale that on the Y. Oh, no, we don't. We want to extrude it on the Y. Okay, and then again, so we're going to go into vertex select, and then we want that on there, and then we're going to go to that, which is what the 3D cursor, and then we're going to scale Y 0, so that flattens them all at that point and not at a median. And then we're just going to select all these again. Not that one there. Okay. And we are going to Control B, like so. And also we need to Control B on there. And maybe a little bit of a bevel on there. Control B, like so. Okay, and then just right click, shade smooth, and then auto smooth. Okay, so that's the tap, and we do want that chrome, so we're going to select this one, material, and drag it on there. So these slats here, the material, we want an image, and then we're going with the oak again. And then these here, new material, I'm going with like a dark graphite grey, but I want to bring the roughness down and the specular up a little bit. So let me just save that, and then we can just bring that on in there, just get everything in here. we want that one as well, and then under here for these, and there, and the top here is going to be an image again, an image, control A, scale, I'll do that, UV, smart, just do smart unwrap. The image we're going to do is, let me just find it, is like a white marble. Okay, what we can do is if we select A and then just move it around until you get a decent, oh, that'll do. So we've got a nice little marble effect, and this here we want to crank down the roughness and up with the specular, just so it's got a little bit of a shine on it. Right, what we need to do now, what I need to do now, let's make that wall, not really happy about that. Don't really like that colour actually, it's like really cack. Right, anyway, let's do the lighting first. So where's my light? There it is. We're going to change that one to a sun. Lighting, sun. I just want it oh, that's fine. We want that like that, but we want to bring it up and kind of like that way. Let's crank that up. I know 1,000, that's fine. I just want to add in another light, which was going to be an area light, and let's just rotation, rotate X 90 to 70. I'm just going to bring that up to the window there, like so. Okay, and then let me just bring the roof over because I need to get this in an okay sort of situation. Let's just bring that down, boom. Okay, and then let's just render that. Oh yeah, let's put denoise on. Denoising, viewport, optics. Okay, so the area light, we're kind of getting there, but I just need, so I need 10, so say 500. Oh, there's a nice bit of light in there, isn't it? Oops. I mean, on my one I had a photo picture up there, but you can just turn that down a bit, and then I want to turn the sun. Let's just rename it. Just going to put a hash in the front there. At least then they're both up the top. So this one, I just want to crank it up to 1500. Just so we're getting the light shade on here. And also on the Z. I just want to kind of get that kind of like that and like that, just so we got some sun rays there. There we go, that's better, just to give it a little bit of, I guess, realness, if you like. And there we go, that is our, oh, that's a big pot, isn't it? cream in there, I guess. And there we go, there's our room. As I say, you can add a picture in there. Let's just turn that down to 200. $150. Just don't want it to be overbearing. Okay, and there we have it. There's our little scene. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's just switch those off. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got something out of it, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to look out for our next video. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Ta-da for now.